my workbench. CERN is almost online. Next I'm going to erase the Smurfs. There will be no Papa Smurf. Alright, now Aunt Jemima never existed. Alright, now LeBron James has a hairline. We're going with matte white PLA. We're just going to make a couple of simple Milwaukee Fuel 18 battery holders. Just something for the wall. And it should start. Couple of poopins. Two hours, 3 minutes. Cool. I have a feeling this is gonna be a fucking expensive hobby. I'm gonna go fucking full retard on this shit. Not sure, maybe I was supposed to take that green thing off the print head. Oh. Alright, well. Let's see this fucker start laying down some shit. This is definitely not for the impatient. Set it and forget it, I guess. There it goes. I think that's a test line. Fucking cool. Got this thing going on, but my VCR still flashes 12. Oh well. So this was just a file that I found on the maker, Bambu maker, whatever the fuck, and I have a couple of Milwaukee fuel batteries that I'd like to have a spot to hang up when I'm not using them on my leaf blower. So this is kind of cool. And I also set up a ring cam so I can see that if I'm out and about, whatever. But yeah. So I used to work at Collins Aerospace, or RTX Raytheon, and we used to print parts out of stainless steel. And the job that I had just a little bit ago was at a foundry, and we were 3D printing sandcast moldings, or sand castings for moldings, for pouring aluminum or magnesium, and now we're going to fucking plastic. Pretty rad. We'll see how that looks in the morning. Alright, so that's my 3D printer live in my garage, and I'm just hanging out in my room. It's not great quality, but you know, it is what it is. And I can see the progress on the app. Pretty cool. Well, cool. 1 hour, 42 minutes. Pretty neat.